you don't make sales. Why? Amazon is a huge platform with a huge traffic, and your t-shirts are sold by Amazon. Other platforms of print on demand, POD, don't have a huge traffic, which means you have to advertise your t-shirts. As you know, in Amazon, there are two different traffics to your t-shirts, organic and paid. Here, you don't have to pay, you just have to be careful about these things. Number 1. Keywords. Keywords are important in any online business. Basically, keywords are what customers type in the search bar. And if you are following my videos about Merch Informer, you probably see that in Keywords Cloud part. Number 2, don't think outside the box. You have to think different, inside the box. The box is what people want, and you have to make shirts about what people want, not what do you want. Think differently inside the box. Number 3, the price. Most of you make their shirts cheaper. No. Don't do that. Make your shirts equal or less than the average price. Cause when you make your shirts cheaper, the customer may think that it's a low quality using this rule, low price, low quality. That's what I do personally, and that's what I know. If you know more tips, write it down in the comment section. Share your knowledge, and be helpful. I will be happy if you make sales after practicing this. Send me your screenshots when you are making sales. That's all. Peace.